Alright, so I just kind of wanted to talk about the robot here a little bit, some of the components that it's made out of, starting with obviously the brains. We've got two Raspberry Pi 4s. One is essentially being used for the AI. The other one is being used for navigation and systems control. Coming off of the Raspberry Pis, we're using the ev1 16-channel pulse wave. You can plug 16 servos into it, lights, motor controllers, but basically it's a pulse wave controller that's 16 channels, and you're going to run the I2C communication from your Raspberry Pis into these and then control all your functions here. Currently there's 3 of them on this robot. One of them, 16 channels, runs all of the servos for the arms and the neck. And then we've got another one that controls 3 of these that are tucked down here. And what that is the L298. This is a real inexpensive motor controller, and each one of these is 2 channels. And so it controls 2 motors. There's 6 of them total. So you've got 3 of these L298s tucked down below, which communicate to the Adafruit driver, which then goes into the Raspberry Pi. So that's how we get motion out of those 6 motors for the tracks. And then the next step, where we're currently at on the robot, is we're going to add these little range finders. And what these range finders do is they put out a view of about 15 degrees each, and they can essentially tell us object avoidance and help it navigate around. It'll have a bunch of them because they do about 15 degrees each, so there'll probably be 3 of them here, and 1, 2, 3 here, and it will help the robot do its range finding, obstacle avoidance. I think ultimately its objective will be to follow a smartphone GPS location, so that way it will follow you around if you got your smartphone on you, but it will require these to not hit things and navigate around stuff.